Oh, that's too easy. Now do it without the knee. Drop it again. Show her how good you are at flexibility.
Wait, Tyler, turn this way.
I got it to Sheila.
Do you think he should ask a girl out like this?
My God.
No, he's gonna get rejected.
Do you think someone would go on a date with him?
I'd be like, I'd be like, I just do it too. I think it's fun.
Tyler, can you... Hey, don't throw. Can you write your name on...
I just wrote my name up there.
No, I want you to write it nicely and legibly right here on this.
With no thumbs.
Yeah, no thumbs.
He's sitting there and he had one arm tucked in and was like writing and actually it'd be better for me to tuck both arms in and have your hands.
Good enough.
Struggle.
I think I write my name better like this.
So yeah, you guys can put this in, your book. Can you do it with one leg? One-legged.
Like a flamingo. We're so mean. I'm gonna
Remember all the hardships I've had since this job.
That's why we had 12 Fs.
Oh my God.
Are
you struggling?
All right, thank you. See, isn't it amazing?
Yeah, thank you.
You broke it?
Tyler.
All right, is everybody done with their dots yet?
Now we go give somebody a hug.